This is the story of a 19-year-old Alexi. Alexee Trevizo is a young woman living in Artesia, New Mexico, with her mother and her stepfather. She attended high school, had a boyfriend, and had been in cheerleading for years. With a 3.86 GPA, Alexi was a senior who had already committed to attending New Mexico State University. In addition to cheerleading, she was also in choir and had never been in any trouble. However, on January 27th, 2023, after practicing cheer for 4 hours, Alexi felt very dehydrated and unwell. She woke her mother up due to severe back and stomach pains. Unable to alleviate the pain, they went to the hospital. Initially, the hospital staff suspected kidney stones or a gallbladder issue. Noticing Alexi's baggy clothes, they began to suspect she might be pregnant. Alexi took a test which confirmed she was pregnant. She adamantly denied having engaged in any sexual activity. The staff decided to conduct a blood test to confirm the pregnancy. While waiting for the blood test results, Alexi asked to use the restroom. Security cameras captured her running to the bathroom and her mother following shortly after. The staff became concerned as they heard multiple flushes and other noises from the restroom. About 20 minutes later, Alexi emerged from the bathroom. When the staff entered, they found blood everywhere and called someone to clean up the mess. As the cleaner removed the trash can, she discovered it was unusually heavy and found a small body in a bag at the bottom. The hospital staff immediately notified the authorities. The police arrived and informed Alexi of their discovery.
I'm sorry, there's we discovered a dead baby in the bathroom.
Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry. He came out at me and I didn't know what to do.
Lexi, I told you about this.
But it
I just asked you to tell me the truth.
it was not crying or nothing.
What did you do to it?
Okay, stop right here.
I
Stop.
just
Stop.
put it in-
Number one priority, guys. Number one priority is she just had a baby. I don't know if she's delivered the placenta. She's bleeding significantly.
Yeah.
I've spoken to the obstetrician at Loveless. They want her out there as soon as possible.
Okay.
I obviously need your permission to transfer her for medicals. She needs to
She's
be med-
19.
Oh, you're right.
But she is a student too.
She's
No,
still
no,
19
you're
years old.
right. You're right. She needs to. I'm sorry, I forgot she's 19.
Keep out of me.
But you need to make sure that you're safe. I need to send you to Loveless to labor and delivery. Will you please agree to that?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, great. I'm gonna work on that. I'm sorry about this, but in terms of delivering a baby and it looked like you tried to hide it, we do have to have the police involved.
Nothing was crying. It came out with nothing.
I know. But the baby's gonna have to be taken for autopsy and there'll be an investigator and everything. I'm really sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, but we need to do this correctly, and I want to be transparent with you about what our steps are going to be.
Do you guys have, I'm the charge nurse here, do you guys have any questions for me?
Like how big is the baby?
It's full term.
What?
Nothing,
9 months?
nothing was crying.
Lexi, have you watched the news of the girls that what they do to their babies and what they go to jail?
Nothing was crying.
Any other questions? Okay.
I don't know everything yet, okay? So I'm not gonna tell you, I can't tell you nothing honestly, okay? All I'm gonna
But
say
she's
is,
not gonna go to jail.
right now,
No?
right now, she's being detained. So she's not gonna leave from here at all, period, okay? So one of us will
Is
be
it in your custody? Like,
yeah, she's detained.
oh,
Yeah, she's not under arrest, but she is detained, okay? She's not free to leave. So while this whole thing is coming up, you're not free to leave, okay? One of us will be in here the whole time with you, because you're not gonna try to leave or nothing like that.
she
All right.
won't. Where did you put the baby at? Tell me the truth.
517-836-460.
That came out in the toilet. You put it in the bag?
Yes.
In what bag? Why did you say anything to us? Do you want to get in trouble for this now? You could get in trouble for
Mom,
this, baby.
Mom, alright, just give it time, okay? Let her speak to detectives whenever she's ready, okay?
During the investigation, it was noted that the placenta was missing, suggesting Alexee might have tried to flush it down the toilet. Alexee's parents, boyfriend and mother were interviewed. Her stepfather was visibly upset, and her boyfriend mentioned that Alexee had been in pain for at least 24 hours before going to the hospital.
Is this your family?
Yes.
Okay, I'm Detective Gonzalez, Artesia Police Department. What questions do you have for me right now?
What's gonna go on? Like, what, can I be with her?
She's getting life flighted out right now.
Okay,
So they're taking her right now.
okay,
I haven't spoke to her at all.
okay, so like, what's gonna go on? Like, what's gonna happen with her? Like,
So she's gonna get treatment before we even talk to her because she needs to be stabilized. So that's why she's getting life flighted out.
okay,
Once she gets stabilized, we'll try and talk to her. The baby's gonna go up north for autopsy. More likely it'll be done within the next day.
is she gonna get detained after, like, she's released? How,
Get what?
like, are y'all gonna take her into custody or anything like that? Like,
That depends on what the DA finds. We have to wait for the autopsy to come back to see what happened.
So they already took her out.
No, she's getting life flighted. She's right now being set up to go to the...
Okay.
What happens
What do you mean?
before the DA makes a decision or that?
It should be pretty soon they make a decision. Because with the age of the decedent, they usually expedite autopsy reports and such. With normal people that pass naturally at home, takes a couple months for us to get reports back. Stuff like this, we'll get it back pretty soon.
Okay.
So
Still moving, they don't know.
They
we
don't
don't,
know yet.
we don't know. That's why he'll be going up north. Has y'all's information been taken yet?
He took my driver's license, he took her driver's license,
Okay.
my phone number, my phone number, yeah.
So, even though she's of age, if she's not available to be contacted, can we put you down as next of kin for all my? Okay. And you'd be grandmother?
I'm mom.
So you'd be
I'm
the
her mom.
you'd be the decedent's grandmother.
Yes.
Okay. Just wanted to make sure.
So that's her boyfriend.
Would y'all mind talking to me later when y'all are okay?
Yeah, I was with her. I know she talked to him for a while on the phone, and then she came to me, so I've been with her the rest of the time.
Today? Okay. So what did she come here for that she told you?
She told me she had back pain.
That's it?
That's it.
Okay. Has she been having back pain before?
Yeah, pain for her and her hips is no, I mean, she was born with like her, I don't know, it was like crooked.
Her spine?
Okay, because my ex-husband, he beat me whenever I was pregnant with her. So she was early. So, she had some problems with her hips. Like, I always had to take her to the chiropractor to get adjusted because she couldn't use, like, she was always getting constipated. Like, she had to get lined up, whatever. So, I mean, I've been taking her to chiropractor because I always thought, this time, I didn't know. I honestly didn't know she was pregnant. I didn't know. I just thought, like she said, I have back pain, Mom, my hips are hurting me. I think I need to go to the chiropractor. I said, okay, let's go tomorrow. But she was, like, in really a lot of pain and,
When did it start?
Like the pain?
Yes.
Yesterday she said it was really bad, that her hips were hurting and her back. And then last night we were on the phone together and she said her hips were hurting bad. And I asked her if anything else was hurting, and she said just everything. And she went to sleep.
So I'm not trying to be rude, but you are more than likely would be the father? Okay.
Yes.
There's,
No, we get it. We get
sometimes
it.
it happens.
What are we doing?
I'll bring her out. Just tell me what's going on.
For her arrest.
Okay.
I will give it to her whenever.
Can I see her?
She can see the warrant when she gets arrested.
This is my house. I
Right.
have a right to see the warrant.
I'm letting you know she has a warrant for her arrest. We don't have a search warrant for your house. We have a warrant for her arrest.
Okay, can we see the warrant?
Yeah, once we,
She gets a copy of it.
Can I go up there when you take her up there?
You can go to the detention. Do you know where it is?
Everything?
It's
Okay,
nowhere.
so what is she under arrest for?
She's over 18. She's got a copy.
I understand that,
Right.
Detective Gonzalez.
Right.
What is she under arrest for?
She has a warrant for arrest. Okay?
For what?
That's all I'm going to tell you. Okay?
What do you mean that's all you're going to tell me?
I mean, she's over the age of 18.
I understand that, but I have a right to know as well.
And we'll tell you that, but we
Okay, then let me know now.
need the cooperation.
Let me know now. I'm giving you the cooperation. I told you answer my question. What is she under arrest for?
Like I said, she's over the age of 18. Like, that we can't relinquish that information, but if you bring her out here, we'll tell you.
What is she under arrest
Bring her out here,
for?
we'll tell you right now.
No, I'm not bringing her out here yet. Let me know what she's under arrest
She's
for.
gonna get arrested regardless, ma'am. I mean, I don't know why.
For what? For what? For what?
Are you okay with telling me?
Yeah, go ahead.
Tell me.
Homicide. Open count of homicide. And tampering with evidence.
Tampering with evidence?
Yes.
At the hospital?
So, can we see her now?
Give me a minute.
Okay.
Can I see the warrant?
It's an arrest warrant for her. It's
Okay,
not a
can I
search
see
warrant
the
for your
arrest warrant?
house.
I want to see the arrest warrant.
And what will that prove? What's your name?
Alexi.
Okay. What's the last 4 of your social?
She don't even know it.
You don't know it?
I don't know. I don't remember.
Alexi, do you know your date of birth?
Yes.
Okay. What is it?
11/25/03.
Yeah.
Do you have to walk her all the way over there? Can you bring the car up here? Please.
It's up to you.
That's all. Just please.
I'll go get it.
3300 West Main Street, the Public Safety Complex. If you just go through the front door, you know where we first spoke in the records?
Yeah.
If you just go over there. Is there any force?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll meet her in the front.
Okay. I'll get with him and do all stuff. Go to dispatch.
I'll meet you in the front, okay?
On May 10th of 2023, Alexi was arrested but released 6 days later on a $100,000 bond, just in time for her high school graduation, though she was asked not to attend the ceremony. She did, however, attend her senior prom with her boyfriend. As part of her release, she is required to attend counseling, but does not have to wear an ankle monitor. Alexi has pled not guilty to all charges. Her lawyer is confident in proving her innocence, claiming the hospital failed her.
Not a single one of them told her that she was pregnant. Not a single one of them told her that we need to examine you. She went to the hospital thinking that she was suffering from low back pain and severe abdominal pain. So she is shocked whenever she delivers a baby. And then the issue of what caused the baby's death is going to be one that's going to be litigated. I already have a real good idea what caused the baby's death. It had nothing to do with my client. She was not at fault. They gave her major medication. Some of that medication certainly dangerous to a unborn child or fetus, and contraindicated if you're pregnant. Certainly contraindicated if you're going to breastfeed later on. This is a classic instance. The female feels the need to go to the restroom. Maybe we better check and make sure she's not delivering a baby. I mean, you just don't allow that kind of thing if you know what you're doing. So this is a situation in which the hospital failed her, the nurses and doctors failed her, the office of the medical investigator has failed her. But let me put it this way. People would be very pleased with the actions that she took and the way she handled the situation, despite the fact she's on major pain medication, is in total shock and in a state of panic. She still tried to do the right thing by her baby, I'll tell you that much. And that baby wasn't put in the trash right away.
However, an autopsy revealed that the baby was not stillborn and had air in his lungs, indicating he was born alive. This case has garnered significant media attention, and many have questioned why Alexi lied and what else she might be hiding. How nobody noticed. Look at her cheerleading outfit. It serves as a reminder that seeking help in difficult situations is crucial. Thank you for watching this video, and feel free to share your thoughts below.